Jude.
Pete.
Wow, 11A Torrington Crescent.
And Glen and us, we have discovered a beautiful brick and tile home on a 502 square metre site. Abundance of fruit trees.
Which you're slightly obsessed with the peach tree.
I am. That's why I wanted to film here.
And it's a large section for the area too.
Very large section. You'll be the envy of the neighbours.
Close to buses, close to trains, and close to the Eastern Cycleway.
Okay, I think we're excited.
Let's have a look.
As we sweep inside, fully polished wood floors, open plan dining, kitchen, and a super area for your evening entertainment. With 3 bedrooms, the master with ensuite, both fully renovated bathrooms, you're going to love living here. A separate laundry, you've got access to the outside western deck, full storage shed and a carport. This is a truly beautiful little haven.
What a gorgeous interior this house has.
Now you've seen it, beautifully restored and rejuvenated for the next family. Our vendors are reluctant to leave, but they've made up their mind.
I think Grover might be reluctant to leave as well.
Well, that's right.
So this house could be yours.